Hi, here is a demo on how to go about creating a new booking on CSR Tool. Please enter your login credential by giving your login name and password. Login. To make a new booking, please choose New Booking. Enter the appropriate corporate ID with the corporate location, bands corresponding. Choose the corporate from the drop-down under Corporate. This indicates the from address of the traveler, and this is mandate for billing purpose. Based on the corporate location, and bands would auto-populate. Corporate location is based on the predefined value under corporate, meaning the address from the way the traveler is starting from. This is again used for billing purpose. Make sure to choose the right location and band. Designation. Please fill appropriate traveler designation, and billing address location would be the appropriate 3-letter code. Booking assigned to or received by. This is self-explanatory field. Received by would be team lead or manager, while assigned to would be the associate who will be working on the particular booking. Booking requested date is actual date time booking was received. This field will not accept earlier dates from today nor later than check-in dates. Fill in the title, gender, traveler name and employee ID as provided. Corporate email ID should be traveler ID or your official email ID based on the requirement. This is a mandate field. The email ID mentioned under this field would receive all the email communication with regard to the booking. This includes acknowledgement, option, confirmation, and modification emails. Personal ID can be your official email ID or the email ID of your reporting manager of anyone whom you would want to keep in loop for this particular booking. Contact phone or mobile phone number would be the traveler number. Please fill in the corporate travel desk number in case of non-availability of traveler's number. Number of adult or children accompanying. This field has to be used only while raising a booking request for a family accommodation or for the booking a twin sharing request raised by corporate. Based on the number of accompanies selected, a name and age field would pop up as shown in screen below. Travel type. Choose domestic or international as per the travel desk or traveler request. Property type is based on the request. There are 3 property types: guest house, hotel, and service apartment. For guest house, choosing the guest house would auto pop up dedicated or non-dedicated field in the screen. Dedicated are those properties which are owned by corporate. Choosing dedicated would list out few of the properties at add option level which are mapped to the particular corporate for which the booking has been raised, as shown on the screen. Destination corporate location drop-down list would pop up, allowing you to choose the right destination corporate. Hotel. Choosing this would display all the hotels from the CSR database for the particular destination selected at add option level. Service apartment. This option would display the entire service apartment available for the particular destination. Check-in and check-out time should be declared as per the request raised by the travel desk. This is again a mandate field as shown on the screen. Please ensure the check-in date cannot be prior to booking date. If incorrectly given, this would pop up error message. Nearest facility, destination, country, state, city, and postal zip code would be traveler's destination address. This plays an important role as the system lists out the property at add option level based on this field. Select the right country, state, and city from the drop-down. You can also mention the corporate name and nearest facility. Type of room or bed size. Room type is a drop-down with list of rooms. Example: standard, premium, twin, sharing room, 1 BHK, etc. Bed size is again a drop-down with king, queen, twin, etc. Both room type and bed size helps in streaming the result at add option level. This has to be mentioned rightly for the right property option to be displayed at the add option level. Additional traveler information. This is the remark column. It is mandated to enter all the additional or special booking information in this field. This is captured on the acknowledgement email template. This is mandated since it previews further action to be taken on the booking. Purpose of travel. This can be filled with either business, personal, or official based on the request type. Travel profile. Most of the fields under the travel profile would differ from corporate to corporate. Data entered on field 1, 2, and 3 are captured on all the emails template. Travel authorization number is the request number as mentioned on the corporate interface or email request sent by the corporate travel desk. This is captured as TAS number or transaction number on the subject line of all the email pertaining to any booking. Fill in the relevant information and click on Submit to raise the acknowledgement mail, or click on Add option to send accommodation option to the traveler. Here is a sample email acknowledgement. Adding option for a booking. On completion of acknowledgement, a booking ID would be generated and would be available under booking list. Booking can be accessed either through search engine or by clicking on the booking ID directly. You can add up to 3 options per booking. On completion of this process, an email with options would be sent to the email ID mentioned on the booking page under corporate and personal email ID. Check the right option or search for an option using the property name search field. Up to 3 options can be selected at a time for a single booking. Preview the existing rate by clicking on Add Edit Source. This option also allows you to enter rate for a particular booking. Reconfirm the rates, taxes, and commission before clicking on Hide Source to exit. Below are the brief note on different fields under Add or Edit Rates. Click on Update option, which would send the options to the traveler. Confirming a booking. Click on the booking ID to be confirmed. The status of booking to be confirmed should be confirmation pending or option sent. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Add option to confirm the booking. Change the status to selected and click on Update for the system to generate a selected email as shown. On clicking Update, Confirm option button as shown in the screen. Go ahead date would be the current time and date. Cancellation date and charges should be same as mentioned at option level. Retention amount, transaction fee. This field is applicable only in case of visa processing. It is very important to enter the right mode of payment since the confirmation voucher would be generated based on this data. This data mainly depends on accommodation type, travel type, and corporate. Direct payment. This would generate confirmation email with a voucher containing tariff breakup as shown below. BTC prepayment. This would generate a confirmation email with no tariff on the confirmation voucher. Dedicated not applicable. This is applicable only for dedicated property list. Currently, this is applicable only for Accenture and Wipro. Selecting this would generate only an email with no voucher on it. This would also send an email alert to the property with a room number that has been blocked. Card details can be provided in case of guarantee required. This would not be charged while this is used only for guarantee purpose. Payment can be selected based on which card is used for guarantee. This field value depends on mode of payment. In BTC, the card will be CSR, while in direct it is client. Status of commission would be received if the booking has been pre-authorized pending when the commission has to be collected later and dedicated not applicable when the property is corporate dedicated. Points to remember. All the information entered on the confirmation page is important as this is captured onto the final confirmation voucher which goes to the traveler. Click on confirm option to get the confirmation voucher generated. This is the sample confirmation voucher which is forwarded to the traveler.